Hi guys and welcome back to my channel Tradingfyive. So today's video is based on a very important topic in technical analysis, which is support and resistance. But before continuing with this video, if you have not yet watched my previous video, which is trend identification, I request you to watch it first. I have given the link in the description as well as in the I button. So let's begin with the video. In this video, we'll learn about support and resistance, and more importantly, we will learn how to plot them in the market. So let us start with support. Now if you look at the definition of the support, it can be said as support is the level at which the price of a stock bounces back. So let's understand this line with an example. Let's say you are in a room with a ball. And what if you throw the ball towards the floor? The ball will hit the floor and bounce upwards. Now here we can say that the ball has taken a support on the floor and there is a change in its direction. And similarly, if we compare this with the stock market, the ball is the price and the floor is basically a support level. When the price is continuously falling down and after a level turns its direction, that is retraces back, then the area around which the price of the stock is taking a turn, it is called as support. So we can say that a stock which is at around 150 rupees and is falling continuously to, let's say, around 100 rupees and from there changes its direction and starts to move upward, then the 100 rupees can be said as the support level. Now based on the occurrence of support, there are few forms of the support. Like a support can be in the form of single price level or a zone which is formed by more than one price level. Now let's say a stock is continuously taking support at 100 rupees. Then price level of 100 rupees can be said as support level. But when a stock is taking support in a range of around 90 to 100 rupees, then the range of rupees 90 and 100 is said as support zone. And we can simply say that support level or support zone gives us a reference area where the repetitive buying has occurred in the market and is likely to occur again. Now, being a technical analyst, my job is to track the past data of the stock. And while doing so, let's say I realize that a stock is continuously taking support at, let's say, around 500 rupees. So the price level of 500 is supposed to be its support level. And then when the price again hits back to rupees 500, I will look for buying the stock with proper trade management. As it is said that history in the market repeats itself. Yeah, and it also makes sense. Now this chart can give you more clarity about this support. It is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. And as you can see, the Bank Nifty is taking support in this zone. So once I get to know about this zone, I will look for some trading opportunities at around this support level as well as around here. And as you can see, a good move could be captured through this trade. And by the way, this type of chart is called as candlestick chart, where you can see many of the red and green candles. I will make a separate video on candlestick chart in upcoming days. So I hope you have understood the concept of support up till here. However, if you have not understood yet, I request you to please rewind the video and watch it again. Moving forward, let us look at resistance. Now resistance is just opposite to support. Like the role of the support is to provide a buying pressure and to change the downtrend into an uptrend. Similarly, the role of resistance is to provide a selling pressure and change the uptrend to a downtrend. So we can say that resistance is the level at which the price of a stock corrects, which means that the price of the stock falls down. And just like support, a resistance can also be in the form of single price level or a zone formed by more than one price level. Now let's say a stock which was trading at around 150 rupees moves to 200 and from there retraces back, that is falls down. Now the price level of 200 can be said as the resistance level. Whereas when the stock continuously resists in between around, let's say, 180 to 200 rupees, then the range formed by 180 and 200 is called as resistance zone. Whatever it may be, a resistance level or a resistance zone, it just gives us a reference area where the repetitive selling has occurred in the market and is likely to occur again. So let's consider this chart for more clarity. This was a daily chart of TCS, and as you can see, price was continuously resisting at around this level. So with the proper analysis, when I realized about this resistance level, I could have captured at least 2 trades in it, which would give me a big moves like this. And so we can say that resistance and support plays a very important role in technical analysis. Basically, we get a clear view where the repetitive buying or where the repetitive selling may occur. And with proper trade management, we can plan out our trades. But it is not like every time the support or resistance will be accepted. In some cases, the stock may break the resistance or the support and continue its trend. Such events are called as breakouts. And there is a whole trading system, a whole trading strategy which is based on breakout. So let's move forward to the most important topic in the whole video, that is how to plot support and resistance. So till now you got to know about support as well as resistance. But one question is still screwed up in the mind, that how do we plot them or how do we recognize the support and resistance in the chart of a price? So this can be simply done in 4 steps. Step number 1 is look at the historical price data. Now there are many softwares, many websites that provide you the historical price data of any particular stock for free. Like if I say investing.com, Tradingvyive. From there you can derive the historical price data of the stock for the purpose of analysis. Step 2 is to identify all the lows and highs which are formed by the price. Let's say you are tracking a stock which was in uptrend and is now consolidating at a price level. So to find out the resistance, you need to mark down all of the high points which the stock has made. And similarly, to find out the support, you need to point out all of the lows that the price of the stock has made. Now step 3 is to mark down all of the lows and high points. And step 4 is connect all the low points together and high points together to form a horizontal line or a zone of support and resistance. When you connect all the low points together, you will get a support level or a support zone which may form due to 2 or more support levels. And when you connect all the high points together, you will get a resistance level or a resistance zone. Yeah, so I hope you understood how to plot support and resistance. So lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible, and to not miss such many contents on stock market as well as technical analysis, please subscribe and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.